I bit the bullet and I bought a Bose Wave music CD player on eBay. Just arrived today. It's in a prepaid box. You can see a bit of damage here. I'm hearing something rattling here. I don't know. It feels like there's a bit of cushion there. I don't know what it is, but there's something. It's slishing and swashing all around here. So I'm hoping nothing's broke. There's a no return policy on this one. It's supposed to be a radio that works according to the listing, and CD player lens needs to be cleaned. That's it. But there is no return policy, so I'm going to do an opening now and hope that the thing has been packaged decently, but I don't think so. I think we have some damage here. I'm just hoping and praying it's not too bad. Just 1 second. Okay. Anyway. This will get me in here now. Okay. This is the remote, which looks to be in good shape. So far, so good. Okay, this is what's bouncing around. Piece of plastic, possibly off the bottom here somewhere. Probably right there. If you can see that, I think I might be able to glue that back on. I think that's where it's from. It's a ring, piece of plastic ring cracked off. And okay, so a few impressions on the inside the case and the box here. So you know, it's not. There's no packaging. There's no packing here. God, I hate when people do that. I mean, this is eBay. Hate to flip it over. I'm frightened to see more breakage. And another piece broke. Something's definitely broke here. I'm not seeing it. Hopefully it's not on the front. No. Thankfully, if there's any damage, I'll get rid of this box here now. I'll take the cord out. Ditch the box. That's the cord. And that's kind of a silicone feeling cord. So these two pieces are not off the remote. And the top is in good shape. Oh Christ, something loose inside. Yeah, that's definitely where that ring came off of here. So I can possibly glue that on. Not like it's desperately necessary, but I guess it could have been a lot worse. And there's something that's not seen. Yep, she's cracked here too. Right here. You see that piece? You see? People don't want to make me curse. I'll have to glue that. So anyway, packing F, fail, and the remote control and the cord dancing around inside the box. I don't see anything else is broken. I don't know how it managed to get here in this shape, but inside, if you listen, it seems like there's something loose in there. So here we go. Let's see if it powers up. Let's plug it in. And before I plug it in, try to prop it up on something so you can see it. There's not much room in here, folks, as you know. I gotta say, it looks to be in good shape. He said it was dusty, dirty, needed to be cleaned. But okay, get in here. Remote in hand. Okay. Time and please wait. Now, I've never owned one of these before, so I don't know how to operate or anything, so I'm just going to look at the remote here. It says start and it's on and off. So I'm going to press on. CD, no disc. AM, FM. Here's mute. FM. And don't want to get no copyright strikes. So we'll turn it down. So the radio's working, which is great. And he said that it needed a cleaning. Now I do have the CD cleaner, and I'm thinking that might take care of it. This is the CD cleaner here, made by Fellows. So I'm going to try not to get a copyright strike here and find a CD and see if what the CD is doing. So stand by. Found a brand new Bob Seger album, CD. This is unplayed. It's brand new. I had it over the jacket, of course. See the smudge there, but this is an unplayed jacket. It was sealed when I bought it. And got the volume down. Okay, it's taking the CD okay. Rating disc. I hear chattering. Bit of volume. Trying to play. Next track. Oh, it's gone to 2 already. I can see hear slight bits of audio. And a lot of chattering. So I don't think CD player cleaner is going to work. So let's eject that CD. Ejecting. I don't even think it's going to play the cleaner at this stage of the game. Well, here goes. It may be a case of having to repair the CD player. Because I don't think this is a cleaning issue. This ticking noise tells me that there's is chattering. There's something more wrong with the CD player. The CD lens could be bad. I'll have to delve in further now. But it's obviously not playing the cleaner, so I don't know how it's going to clean it. So that's that. Let's eject that. I'll be contacting the seller to let them know that the CD player is non-functioning and it's not cleaning. A bit disappointing. Let's see what model this is. I'll unplug this. Yeah, something loose inside there too, so I have to investigate. Forgot that. It is a AWRCCH. AWRCCH. If anybody's got any information on this specific unit, I know there's a AWRCCH CC1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maybe. I'm not overly familiar with the AWRCCH, if I said that right. AWRCCH. So, anybody can help me out? Where do I go from here? The radio's working, which I'm happy with. But, yeah, it'd be great to have the CD player, wouldn't it? Get back to me if you can, everybody. Thank you. Took the top off and one of the screw holes here cracked. So I got to glue that back on. This side is still there. The back is good. This one's broke. And that one's good. So it's lucky this thing survived with all the ribbon cables and the things that are inside. So found another couple of pieces. All these pieces are where the screws go in, so I know where this goes on the bottom, and all the rest of these points are the screw hold down points, which these the bulk of these go into. So very poor packaging. The buyer will know about that for sure. And the one last thing, I'm not a complainer, but man, this reeks of nicotine. It's been so long since I've been around this. Nicotine is just like, wow. You forget, because, when we used to go into buildings one time, everybody smoked everywhere. Now this is going to need a severe cleaning. It is rotten with nicotine.